Hi, this is Jason at Sports Zone Toys and Comics. Today we're going to open up the just arrived 2023 Score Football. So as always, you can get this hobby box on SportsZoneToysComics.com. Check out a great selection of sports cards on there and also non-sport. So this box of Score is going to feature 4 autographs, 40 cards a pack, 10 packs per box. Let's check these out. It does show Josh Allen on the cover in the NFL uni, but the rookies this year are going to be back to college. It's weird. Last year they were in the pros. They sold really well. This year's in college, so not sure. We'll see how that goes. You're going to find 10 parallels per box, so 1 per pack. There's also a hobby exclusive, ultra rare, intergalactic, Showtime, and Next Up inserts. So exclusive inserts. We'll have all the versions of Score. The blasters are on our site already, then hobby, and we also have, I believe, some cello packs and retail boxes coming as well. So we'll have a really good variety of Score football. You can also send these to us to get graded with PSA or CSG, your choice. I'm going to fly through the base just because I know you guys don't really care, and you're going to see a ton of base with this many cards per pack. So we'll go over the rookies and the inserts and so forth. Not worry too much about the base cards. All right. Malcolm Rodriguez. That's an artist proof to 99. Hot rookie. That's one you want to see. Bijan Robinson. The draft, CJ Stroud. Franchise, Desmond Ridder. First autograph, there it is. Andre Carter II. So we'll throw that on our eBay store. Let that go for whatever it goes for. Chris Rodriguez for the Commanders. So it does tell you at least the team that they went to, so you know, which is definitely helpful. Quentin Johnson for the Chargers. There's Will Levis. Local Penn State fans watching. Parker Washington to the Jags. We'll have that here if you'd like to pick that up for $1. Zach Evans. Sam Laporta. Paris Johnson and Jonathan Mingo for the Panthers. Second round wideout, I believe. Just a kids reporter. Geno Smith, see if he can back up his outstanding season in Seattle. They are every which way. All right, there's a scorecard, Harrison Butker. So we had Saquon Autumn insert, franchise Justin Herbert, hot rookie Jahmyr Gibbs, Zay Flowers draft. So they're all good. Let me see, we got the Packers' second tight end, Tucker Kraft. Xavier Hutchinson of the Texans. The Browns, quarterback. Ah, there we go, Bryce Young. Very nice. Like every couple cards here. Ooh, what happened there? Got rocked. All right, so our first insert there is going to be Michael Thomas. That's his scorecard. The franchise, Saquon Barkley. Breakthrough, Jalen Hurts. Hendon Hooker draft. Kenny McIntosh auto, like a 7th round running back for Seattle, numbered to 35. That's our second one. Jonathan Mingo. Bijan Robinson, that's one I wanted. Send that to PSA. Jordan Battle. Ronnie Bell. CJ Stroud, there it is. Nice card. A.J. Perry. Cam Smith. They have legends in them as well. There's Ray Lewis. There's our next special one. It's Sauce Gardner scorecard. Autumn Lamar Jackson. Breakthrough. Woodland. Garrett Wilson, the franchise. Kenny Pickett's breakthrough. Another Bijan rookie. It's all right, we'll take it. Jordan Battle, Ronnie Bell, CJ Stroud. This one's like the same rookies. A.J. Perry, Cam Smith, Tucker Kraft, tight end. We have a nice batch there that was in the same direction. Okay, through the base. Evan Ingram, great season last year. Christian Watson breakthrough. Jordan Addison's draft. 2 is Autumn. Franchise Joe Burrow, that's for sure. Jordan Addison. First receiver taken, we got Richardson. Michael Wilson. Zach Charbonnet. He's hurt the other day. Billingsley, the running back. Devontae Wicks for the Packers. Jamar Gibbs for the Lions. That's it in that one. Okay, next pack up. We're flying through this hobby box of 2023 Score Football. I hope you're enjoying the video. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate that very much. All right, so we're through the base. Jim Kelly gold to 50. Wow, that's cool. Very sharp card. Happy to pull that. I love Jim Kelly. Great, great player. 4 straight Super Bowls in the 90s. Hot rookie Anthony Richardson. Franchise Jared Goff. Jaden Reed for the Packers. Kendry Miller. Henry for the Texans. Johnson for the Bears. Raheem Jarrett for the Bucks. Will Anderson Jr. and Antonio Johnson. All right, we need some more autographs. Kids Reporter. Brick. All right, Will Anderson Jr. scorecard. So we got our first rookie scorecard. Franchise Chase Young. Franchise Saquon Barkley. Breakthrough Jalen Hurts. Draft card Hendon Hooker. Michael Mayer, Broderick Jones, Rasheed Rice. It's all different rookies in this one. Nolan Smith, Dwayne McBride, Eli Ricks, Jackson Smith-Ajigba. Sorry, he was the first wide receiver taken to Seattle. Correction from earlier. Jordan Addison was second from Minnesota. All right, so we are down to the end here. Couple packs to go. So we got to get an autograph here pretty much. Yep, they're backwards. Oh boy. No, just numbered to 100. Trey Hendricks. Michael Mayer draft. Russell Wilson autumn. Tua franchise. Oh gosh, it's a veteran auto, Isaiah Hodgins. He might play some wide receiver for the Giants this year. That was a rough one. Waited for that. You never know what you'll get. Bryce Young and Adrian O'Connell for the Raiders. So usually get 3 rookies and 1 veteran auto. So this should be a rookie autograph. Champ Bailey scorecard. Will Levis, hot rookie. Franchise Mike Evans. Breakthrough Tony Pollard. Max Duggan autograph. If you remember him from TCU, had a phenomenal season till the championship game. So there's our 4 autographs. We'll round out these rookies. Zay Flowers, Jake Haener, Tajay Spears, Joey Porter Jr. There's some Steelers for the local fans. Marvin Mims, second round receiver for the Broncos, and Tyson Bagnet for the Bears. All right, so this was our 2023 Score Football Hobby Box. You can see everything we got there. They are on the shelf, ready to go by the pack or by the box. You can check us out, sportszonetoyscomics.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.